Which deep fryer with a basket is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you need to look a bit deeper to find the best options. Today, I'll help you navigate through the noise and discover the top 5 deep fryers that deliver on taste and convenience. Product number 1: Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer. Let's kick things off with the Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer. Priced at $59.99, this fryer caught my eye with its impressive capacity and sleek stainless steel design. If you want a reliable fryer that can handle family-sized portions, this is worth a serious look. The 4.5-liter capacity means you can whip up a feast with ease, whether it's crispy fried chicken or golden French fries. The 1700-watt heating element ensures your food cooks quickly and evenly, so you won't be waiting forever. Plus, the adjustable temperature dial allows you to get the perfect fry, whether you're making donuts or shrimp. Here's why this matters for you. No one wants to deal with a messy kitchen, and the Chefman's basket clips to the side for easy oil drainage. That means less splatter and easier cleanup because nobody likes cleaning up greasy messes. And with a rating of 4.4 stars from over 6,500 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people mention that the lid doesn't lock tightly, which could be a concern if you're frying with a lot of oil. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful and keep an eye on it, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love entertaining or just enjoy a good fry-up at home. Skip this one if you need something more compact or travel-friendly. For the price, you're definitely getting great value with Chefman. Now, if the Chefman's capacity seemed a bit much for you, the next one might be just the right fit. Product number 2: Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer. Next up is the Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer, priced at $69.99. With its 3 baskets and a total oil capacity of 4.5 liters, this fryer caught my attention for its versatility. If you want to fry multiple items at once without flavor mixing, this one's for you. The large 4.7-quart oil capacity lets you prepare up to 12 cups of food at the same time, making it ideal for family meals or parties. The 3 chrome-plated baskets mean you can fry chicken tenders alongside vegetables without worrying about flavor transfer. The powerful 1800-watt heating element ensures everything cooks to perfection in no time. Here's why this matters. The vented lid helps to prevent messy splatters while you're cooking, and you can keep an eye on things through the viewing window. Plus, it's easy to clean up afterwards with dishwasher-safe components. However, some users found the size to be a bit bulky for their kitchens. But honestly, if you're someone who regularly hosts or has a big family, that extra capacity can be totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you often cook for a crowd. Skip this if you have limited kitchen space or only fry occasionally. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this one. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller households. Product number 3: Hamilton Beach 35032 Deep Fryer. Now let's shift gears to another option from Hamilton Beach, the 35032 Professional Style Electric Deep Fryer. At $52.45, this one's a fantastic budget-friendly choice without sacrificing quality. If you want a solid fryer that won't break the bank, take a close look. With a 12-cup oil capacity, you can comfortably fry up to 8 cups of your favorite food. The included hook on the basket allows for mess-free draining, and the lid covers the hot oil to prevent splatters. This fryer's 1500-watt heating element means your food cooks quickly, perfect for those busy weeknights. Here's why this is beneficial for you. The ease of assembly and cleaning is a big plus. Once you're done frying, just pop the tank, basket, and lid into the dishwasher and you're good to go. A few users noted that the temperature control can be a bit finicky. But here's the thing, as long as you keep an eye on your cooking and adjust as necessary, it gets the job done effectively. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-use fryer. Skip it if you're looking for something more high-end or larger. For under $60, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for a dual basket option, the next fryer might catch your interest. Product number 4: Elite Gourmet Electric Deep Fryer. Next on the list is the Elite Gourmet Electric Deep Fryer, which comes in at $66.21. What's cool about this fryer is its dual-zone frying feature with two 2-quart baskets. If you like to cook different foods simultaneously, you'll want to hear more. With a total oil capacity of 4.5 quarts, this fryer allows you to prepare 2 separate items without worrying about flavors mixing. The powerful 1700-watt heating element recovers temperature quickly, ensuring your food gets crispy without the wait. Plus, the included frying guide helps you make perfect restaurant-style dishes. Here's why this matters. Having the option to fry 2 different foods at once is a game changer, especially if you're cooking for picky eaters. You can make onion rings and chicken tenders at the same time without any hassle. Some users found the basket design a bit awkward for larger items, like a whole chicken. But honestly, for everyday frying needs, the portion control feature is super handy. This is perfect for you if you enjoy variety in your meals or have a big family. Skip it if you need something strictly for larger items. For its price, you're getting great versatility. Now, if you're interested in a fryer that's easy to use and offers a bit more capacity, the last one on our list might be just what you need. Product number 5. Classic Cuisine Electric Deep Fryer. Finally, let's talk about the Classic Cuisine Electric Deep Fryer, priced at $70.95. With a 4-liter capacity and 3 baskets, this fryer stands out for its convenience features. If you want a user-friendly fryer that can handle multiple foods, this is worth considering. The 3 baskets allow you to fry 2 different foods at once or a larger meal in the main basket. The see-through lid and odor filter technology make it easy to monitor your cooking while keeping the kitchen smelling fresh. Plus, the cool touch features ensure safety while you cook. Here's why this matters. The dual baskets let you create a complete meal in one go without juggling multiple pans. It's handy for busy nights when you want to whip up something quick and delicious. Some users felt the power cord could be a bit short. But honestly, as long as you have a good spot to plug it in, it's really not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want something easy to use and clean. Skip it if you need a fryer with a larger oil capacity. For the features you get, it's a good deal. So to wrap it up, we've covered 5 solid options. The Chefman for family gatherings, Hamilton Beach's larger models for versatility, the Hamilton Beach 35032 for budget-friendly ease, the Elite Gourmet for dual cooking, and Classic Cuisine for user-friendliness. In conclusion, each of these deep fryers has its own strengths and is tailored for different needs. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just whipping up a quick snack, there's something for everyone. Make sure to consider your specific cooking habits when making your choice, and happy frying.